This is Valley Fire State Park. I'm gonna go check out the visitor center, get some more information, hopefully about the geology of the area, and figure out what hikes I want to do. I might camp here tonight. Really not a bad view anywhere. It's gonna be a chill day, just relaxing, hanging out, seeing the sights. Me and Bella. This is a petrified log. There's a few of them on this little petrified wood loop trail. This is the best example of it. See some wood grains and knots and that type of thing. So I stopped at the old visitor center. I was hoping to get some more information just about the area. You know, history, see some displays. They're usually pretty basic, but they're still interesting and good to know. However, the old visitor center is closed with a sign saying go to the new visitor center. The new visitor center is still undergoing construction and there's no information in it. There's no displays, there's no signs, there's nothing, so. Silly and frustrating. I'm gonna go towards White Domes. I think the White Domes Road. I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna do a time lapse of that. I think that's kind of the picturesque, scenic road that you always see in the brochures and videos of this area. So I think I'm gonna go up there, do a typical time lapse from the dash of the bus. And Bella is wondering why we're not doing anything. All right, bye.